Tasty macaroni gratin with chicken, a favorite dish you must try. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika from Mika's tinykitchen.com. Ready? Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Use boneless chicken breast about 6 to 7 ounces and a quality Gruyére. Peel and cut the onion into thin slices. Clean and cut the mushrooms into thick slices. Mince the leaves of 2 or 3 sprigs of parsley. Cut the chicken into 3/4 inch pieces and salt the meat. In a saucepan, melt 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Then stir in half cup panko and fresh parsley. Set it aside. In a 3/4 pan over medium heat, melt 4 tablespoons butter. Stir in the flour until a lightly colored roux forms. Add 2.5 cups of milk, a little at a time, stirring constantly until smooth. Mix in 1 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon each of white and black pepper. The bechamel should have the consistency of thick sauce. In another pan, bring 2 quarts of water to a boil. Add 2 teaspoons salt and the pasta. Cook 2 minutes short of al dente. While the pasta cooks, add 1 or 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil to a hot sauté pan. Cook the onions until translucent. Add the chicken and cook it until it takes on color. Mix in the mushrooms, cooking about 3 or 4 minutes more. Drain the pasta and mix it into the pan. Stir half of the sauce into the sauté pan, coating the other ingredient well. Reserve the rest. Butter a 2-quart casserole or an 8x8 baking dish and fill it with the chicken pasta mixture. Pour on the remaining sauce evenly. On top, spread the 1 cup Gruyére. And 1/4 cup grated Parmesan. Then coat the casserole evenly with the prepared panko. Put it in the 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. When it is done, it should be lightly browned and bubbling hot. Now serve generous portions with your favorite vegetables. I wish you could smell this. It is so amazing. I can't wait to eat. This is a fabulous recipe I grew up with. I want you to enjoy it too. I hope you will cook it soon, and thanks for watching my video.